Hello guys, welcome to another day, another DIY. In today's video, I will be showing you some super simple, affordable, and easy DIYs to decorate your lovely home this fall. My name is Chris. If you clicked on this video, I want to thank you for stopping by. Let's get started. I'll begin with one of my favorite pieces this fall. I got inspired from a pillowcase I saw online and decided I needed it in my life. I used this old white fabric I obtained from a previous DIY. You can use any color you prefer. My pillows are going to be small, 13 by 13. This is not a pillow tutorial, just an easy way to decorate your pillow. I will leave a link to make a pillowcase or just a blank pillowcase below if you want to check it out. Once you have your pillow cover, you will need to trace or make an outline of a pumpkin, something like this. Hopefully you can draw. If not, I got you. I'm going to leave a link below where you can print out the one I drew. Once you have the perfect pumpkin, you will cut it out and trace it lightly with a fabric pencil. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can use one of the regular pencils, just draw it lightly. Make sure to trace the whole drawing. It makes it easier if you cut it out individually and trace. I'll be cutting the stem out of some old burlap ribbon I found in my stash of ribbons. If you don't have any, you can find some at the Dollar Tree. Now we can start using our glue gun and place a small amount of hot glue following the lines and placing twine on top. Be careful not to burn your fingers. I always do. You will go around until you end up where you started. I recommend gluing the stem last to cover any imperfections. You can easily make this pillow for less than $5. I will leave a link with all the products or close to the products I use. I reuse most of my craft materials. I'm not sure if these autumn leaves have been available before. As soon as I saw them, I knew I wanted to use them. We're gonna need 2 to 3 packs, a wreath like this one, and some maple garland, gold spray paint, and some hot glue. First, we're going to take apart the maple leaves and spray paint them. Let them dry for a couple hours. Once you are ready to commit, start gluing them down. Go around till you are happy with the result. Once your gold leaves are dry, go around again and place like so. I am in love with this wreath. It cost me less than $7 to make. I found this sign last year from Dollar Tree, and this year I made a commitment to myself that I will not blow all my money on fall decorations. So here we are, we're using the sign. At first I envisioned it pink. That didn't work since the font has a pink tint. I repainted it this ugly gray color according to hubby. I love the color gray. My whole family calls me goodies. Moving on, I didn't want to leave it plain and decided to add some white slanted lines going in opposite directions. To make the lines, make sure you take your time. I got a couple of small hacks DIYs left for this video. I found these cute pink pumpkins. The only thing I changed was the stem. I got a blank piece of paper, made a hole, and laid on top to cover the pumpkin and spray paint. Gorge. They look fancy now. I almost forgot to show you this simple DIY. I found this frame and some burlap leaves. I decided to place inside a frame, glue them down and secure, or just place them and lock with clips. This would look great with a bigger frame if you find one, and fill it up with about 3 to 4 packs. Simple but rustic vibe. You can also find these cloth pumpkins on my shorts. They are super easy to make. Next, I used another styrofoam pumpkin I found at the dollar store and decided to cover it with glitter. Oh, what a mess, but it was a fun mess. If you are gonna be risque like me, make sure to purchase higher quality glue and cover the first half and then move to the next part because it was a sticky mess. And work fast, or section in small sections and let them dry completely. Or just buy one if you don't want to have glitter all over your house. For our next hack, I found this cute container and I saw some candles similar at Home Goods, and for this size, they cost about $8 to $10. I decided to make my own. I had some small candles I bought a while back and melted them down in an old coffee cup on medium heat weighted. You can buy the bigger jars of candles if you like. Once you have melted your candle, let it cool for about 10 minutes, then transfer to your container. Before the candle settles at the match, and you have this cute fall candle you can use. Alright friends, thanks for sticking till the end. I hope you have an amazing fall creating some fun DIYs. I'll catch you guys on the next DIY. Like and subscribe for more. Don't forget, it's a beautiful day.